Today we talk about how can you get money on your Leon app, money Leon app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here or money banking here, just click on it. So when you click on it here, automatically it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You select here if you want to select more benefits here, and you click here on get or money here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list at here your birthday and your phone here, and you click here on send verification code. Then here it's going to add with you on your MoneyLion app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.